Logging out of Temu 2024 is straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Open the Temu app. Launch the Temu app on your device. 2. Access your account. Tap on the profile icon or your account avatar, usually located at the bottom right of the screen. 3. Go to Account Settings. Once on your profile page, look for an option labeled Settings or Account Settings. Tap on it. 4. Find the Logout option. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see an option for Logout or Sign Out. 5. Confirm Logout. Tap on Logout and confirm if prompted. This action will log you out of your Temu account. 6. Verify. After logging out, you should be redirected to the login screen. This confirms that you have been successfully logged out. If you're using a web browser, the steps are similar. 1. Go to the Temu website. Open the Temu website on your browser. 2. Log in. If you're already logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the page. 3. Access account settings. Click on Account Settings or Profile Settings. 4. Log out. Look for the Log Out or Sign Out button and click it. 5. Confirm. Confirm the action if needed, and you'll be logged out. Let me know if you need any more help.